We're going to be going over impact for November 24th. A few people have asked about my little tool thing here. It is an extension called WebPaint. It's pretty cool. It takes a little bit, just a few minutes to figure out how to do everything with it. My favorite here is the sweep, and it clears everything out. So I'm ready to just put that away for now, and now ready to start our work. The first thing we're going to do is list the multiples of 25 up to 9. Multiples means the answer to the multiplication problem. Think of what a multiplication chart looks like. Okay, 25 times 1 is 25. 25 times 2 is 50. 25 times 3 is 75. 3 times 4 is 100. You might be thinking, how do you know that so fast? Well, I think you probably remember hearing your 4th grade teacher say, 25s, just think about quarters. Quarters are worth 25 cents. 1 quarter is 25, 2 quarters are 50, 3 quarters are 75, and 4 quarters are 100, or $1. So, also, you only need to learn these 4 because it just keeps repeating, and I'll show you that right now. So once you get here, you just type a 1 and then the 25. We're doing the 100s. 1 and a 50. 1, 75. And instead of going 100, I go 200. So now the pattern just repeats again. I do it with a 2. And I go back to the 25. And now I'm done. Oops, this was supposed to be a 25 here. I'm glad I found that before you guys got your work. So this is where you want to get your piece of paper out. You have a big box available if you do want to try using this. I don't know if it will show your work when you're submitting it. I'm not sure. So your problem that you're going to write is 25 on the outside, and on the inside is the first number. 2, 9, 5, 0. Woo! That was hard. Okay, next thing I'm going to do, change my color so it's easier to see the steps. Okay, 25 goes into 2 no times. Come on, go away. It cannot go into 2, but 25 can go into 29 1 time. So I'm going to put a 1 above the 9. If you have to, you can put a little X there or a 0, whatever you need, just to make sure you have the 1 above the 9. 1 times 25 is 25. And subtract. 4 is left over, and you bring down your 5. Okay, next color. Okay, I'm going to ask myself, 25 goes into 45 how many times? 45 is definitely closer to 50, but 50 is too big. I can't have 45 of something and then take away 50. So I have to use the 1 again. 1 times 25 is 25. Subtract. 0, 2, bring down the 0. All right, last color. Okay, that looks like a weird color, but we'll go with it. All right, actually, we're going to go over this way a little bit. Okay, 25 goes into 200. We have an exact answer right here. I'm going to use the 8. Put the 8 above the 0. 8 times 25 is 200. I'm going to pause real quick. Okay. My apologies. My husband had an urgent vacuum question. I know. 0 is our leftover, so we have no remainder or anything else. So your answer to this problem is 118. So what you're going to mark right there is 118. What I like about this tool is that when I make it go away, it comes back the same problem. Okay, so write the multiplication problem you will use to check your work. So this is where you're going to write down 118 times 25. So in your box, you're going to write 118 times, and you're going to use an X, 25. Then equal. All right, the last step that you will do is to check your work by multiplying. So this is your problem. Oops, why did I put a subtraction? Oh no. I like that. That was just the little eraser. It won't erase everything. Well, I'm just going to restart. Okay, so I'm going to do 118 times 25. Now, the cool thing is, this is an easy problem. Don't forget you're going to need your placeholder 0 here at the end. And if you have done this correctly, your answer will be 2,950. That's what you're going to want to type in the box if you've got it right. 2,950. If you did not get that answer, that means that your problem is wrong. Maybe here, I would check that first. Maybe make sure you didn't have a calculation error. Once you check that, go back over here because that means something else is wrong. So you have a mistake to find. Hope this video helps. If you need anything, please ask me or your teacher.